Hey YouTube, what's up guys? Hey, this is Charlie. Just chilling. I'm trying to get my studio in order, get my things going right here. Like I've told you guys in my other videos, I'm kind of moving in right now. I'm still in the process of moving in. A lot of stuff haven't come in, so we are just trying to get things in order. This area here is going to be my new studio. That's where I'm going to be making, reviewing products and stuff. Some of my how-to videos I'm gonna put on the back burner. They're gonna come in every once in a while. I'll have to do. I'm gonna work something out when it comes to how-to videos. I still will try to make as much how-to videos as I can, but you're gonna probably be seeing a lot of more how-to with products. You know what I mean? Like for example, a company just sent me some locks, and this is fingerprint locks. But this is what they sent to me. There's a fingerprint sensor on there. I'm gonna be reviewing that soon. I'm gonna mount it up and show you guys how easy it is to install, and hopefully we'll go from there. And I have some other stuff. I have a lot of stuff that I have to review. But before we do all this, let's just go around I'll just show you guys like a tour of what's going on right now behind the scene with my little home studio that I'm working with. Let's check it out. You can see right here we have two LED lights right here. I just bought those. I just got those. I don't think I have a video on them yet, but I just got these. This I got from Amazon. These are the newer 660 lights, LED lights. Lots of controls at the back and all that stuff. They come in a package with the stand and everything. You can see my T6i camera right here, Canon T6i camera, and you can see I have the Canon T6V also up here, T6V-i, whatever you call it. And this is on my crane right here, and this is what I use for overhead shots. So for example, if I was recording something on the laptop, or where the laptop is right now, I could bring it down right here as low as I want, or I could just bring it up. And you can see I do this with just moving my hands. Wherever I want it, I can go as high as possible, and you can see no matter how high I go, the camera still face down. There's also some LED lights on there also. Pretty cool setup. That saved me a lot of time. So I also have this wrong LED lights. I kind of barely use that right now since I have those two there. With those two there and the one up there, and I still have an extra one over there. It's pretty small and compact, so I like these. These, if I move into another room or somewhere, this has a very long wire that I can move almost anywhere, and I can actually mount my camera right in the center here. So that's pretty good. You mount your camera right here, and you're basically good to go. It has a dimming light right here, so you can dim the light right here or just turn it off. So back here is my backdrop right here. You can see I have all my noise cancellation headphones up here on one side, my others on the other side, AKG, Beats, JBL right here. One of the best selling headphones on Amazon right now, the Coin right now. My favorite, which is the Boom right here. This is my favorite headphone for now. A bit heavy, but I love it, and I love the color of it. My stand and charger for my headphones, Alexa, Google Home, right here, my Samsung True Wireless right here. That's $20 bill from my island. My knives for unboxing right here. My drone. Yeah, I keep my stuff that I have to review. A bunch of stuff that came in, lots of boxes back there. There's a bunch of stuff behind there somewhere. Battery card charging area right here. A little toolkit that I keep here just in case I have to fix something. Bluetooth speakers, and this is the desk that I work at. Right now I have something, I'm trying to edit a video right now. I have some things that I just kind of researching right now. These locks, a lot of cases from Softcase right here. These guys always send me cases. iBlossom, so a lot of cases from iBlossom right here to review. Some cases from Poetic also. Some, what is this? right here. Oh, this is this is some cameras, some cams to review right here. And so this is really my workstation right here. And this is my favorite right here. I have a video coming out soon on this. This is my table. This is my stand and seat table. You can see right here, there's buttons right here, so I can click on 2. So right now you can see it going down. So right now you can see it going down. So sitting back here, and click number 1, and it's going back. So now it's going back to standing position where I was working from, or I can sit on my stool right here. I went for the white. It's a little more clean, and I'm trying to go for a clean color. But basically, this is my workstation. This is right to my work, or I plan to do my work. My little subscribe pillow. Oh, my little bonsai tree. I used to have a money tree, which I'm about to get one back. But this is my little bonsai tree.